Following a blockbuster report by the New York Times over the weekend, all eyes are focused on President Trump's tax returns and what he did, and didn't, pay. But the eyes that really matter are the federal and state tax authorities charged with reviewing whether or not Trump and the Trump Organization broke tax laws. And whether the president could possibly go to prison. On Sunday, the New York Times unveiled an extensive investigative report based on a review of 2 decades of Trump's personal and corporate tax records. The reporting covers Trump tax returns from his days as a high-profile real estate developer to the beginning of his tenure as president, and they were revelatory with respect to the president's longtime strategy of avoiding paying taxes. Among the key findings of the Times reporting is the fact that the president paid no federal taxes in 11 of the 18 years reviewed by the newspaper, and only paid $750 of personal taxes in 2016 and 2017. A large part of the reason why Trump and the Trump Organization were purportedly able to minimize tax payments was by claiming that substantial personal expenses, including Trump's lavish use of multiple residences, personal aircraft, and even hairstyling for his television appearances, should offset income. The reporting also shows a long-time strategy of tax avoidance using purported losses from Trump Organization entities as a bulwark against paying taxes. While raising serious questions about the propriety of the tax returns, the Times reporting doesn't specifically allege any illegal conduct. Nonetheless, the Times report comes at a time when Trump's finances are already under investigation by authorities. The Federal Internal Revenue Service has an open audit of Trump's federal tax filings, which is the same reason why Trump claims he is unwilling to release his tax returns. The Trump Organization is also being extensively investigated by the New York Attorney General's office, which is investigating a range of matters related to Trump's real estate activities and tax returns. The investigations into Trump's conduct in New York has also become a recent campaign issue, with a New York judge ordering the president's son, Eric Trump, to provide testimony related to the investigation, under oath, by October 7. The federal audit and the New York State investigations, which Trump has referred to as witch hunts, are nothing new. But what makes the renewed focus on the legality Trump's tax returns so perilous for him is that, should they be found to be fraudulent or evasive by investigators, they could put Trump and his associates in serious legal jeopardy, including potential prison time. Tax fraud occurs when taxpayers intentionally and specifically take improper actions that either underreports or misreports income, or otherwise makes false statements related to their tax returns.